I picked up this fan after I had such good luck with the longevity of the 5-inch version. This one I've had after less than 24 hours. It starts slowing down and speeding up. I thought maybe it was electricity. Oh, there it goes. It's not. I just put batteries in it and it's doing it the same. So more than likely it's a faulty bearing. If I had to guess. It doesn't sound like there's anything loose, so I don't know if it's a faulty bearing or if they're even using a bearing or if it's a sleeve bearing or what. But I had a fan as a child that was blue that every year would do this hesitation thing, and then after I oiled the bearing, it would go back to full speed and it would stop hesitating. The hesitation happens when the one of the surfaces starts to heat up and expand, and then as it slows down, it causes it to cool down, and then the resistance goes away. And anyway, so this one, my first one, defective. I noticed there was a cover that was easy to pop off, no warnings about voiding warranty or anything, didn't damage anything. So I popped the cover off the back, and I don't think oiling it is going to help because it's already got some oil on it. But it is not a ball bearing. It is a sleeve bearing, and that is not much of a bearing. Pretty much the worst kind ever. So I can't fix this, and they can't fix it. So I am going to say that this product, as it's currently designed, it's the O2 Cool 10-inch Treva, is faulty. It needs to be redesigned. It needs a higher quality motor. That's the issue. So this one gets a big thumbs down from me. Thanks, guys.
This is the second one I bought. The first one was really good. But this one I bought so I can have a second one, and it's making this horrible clacking sound. And I like to sleep with the fan on, but that becomes irritating. Just sounds so boring. Second one, and I'm going to plug it in. I do love this little fan. I use it to grow my vegetables. I am germinating some here. This is on high, and it goes low, but it works really, really good. It's really good for a low temp. You know, just having those little desk fan or something like that. But I got really strong air. I love it.
And back here's where the batteries go. And then on the side, you can go down or all the way up for a heavier fan.
This is my new fan. It is not loud. It is putting out tons of air. It's going to volleyball games in a gym with no air conditioner. I can't wait. You gotta get you one.